That's a lot of people on the roof taking off shingles. Every window's blocked. Oh my. I'd be lying if I didn't say that my nerves were a bit shattered right now. Well, I wasn't sure if I was going to have a video for you today because we've had a lot going on here. Not just on the house, but a lot in general. But I thought I would at least get this up and just share with you a little bit of what has been happening. But all is good now. All is good. Well, hello, kindred spirits. I wanted to join you for just a couple minutes today to check in with you and share what has been happening here at Sugarwood yet again. Things here at home have been a little bit different lately, and I'm going to say somewhat overwhelming. We've had quite a bit going on in the house over the years. Many of you know that we've planned some projects, but a lot of emergency projects happened that we were not expecting. And that happened to us again 2 months ago. You know, at one point I mentioned that we were going to have a new roof put on, and they told us in a couple months. Well, actually, they called us in 3 days after I told you and said they would be heading over, and that excited us. But during that whole time, they started taking off the roof. We found a gaping hole in the original part of the 1790s house, and the pole beam, the part that holds up the roof, was starting to rot where that hole was. So needless to say, we had to put everything on stop, call in our contractors, and they had to repair that beam, and they did it from inside my office, meaning they had to rip out the ceiling in my office, and they replaced the beam from the inside out. So here's the good thing. In my office, we had some ugly track lighting. I now have wafer lights that are on dimmers, and all is good. But to know that we had to repair this without any knowledge was a little overwhelming. Add to that, we had a cancer scare with our Willow, and it was a week of some stress waiting for results, but as of right now, things look good, but we're going to keep an eye on her. It really gave me a moment to stop and look, and I realized how much has been happening here at our home over the years, and many times several things happened all at once. I've been keeping up with everything, including trying to create videos when there was very little peace and quiet here at the home. The times that I was on the road sharing things with you, I was pretty much escaping from what was going on here in the home. And it really dampened my spirits for quite a bit. I haven't been enjoying the home, the seasons, or those simple everyday moments the way I used to, due to our house being, well, naughty for lack of better words. And trust me, I used some harsher words than naughty the day that we saw the hole in the roof. And that's something that didn't sit right with me, because what I share here has always been slowing down, enjoying where you are, and creating a life that feels good to live in every day. So I've been taking a step back and really looking at how I want things to feel moving forward. I'm not stepping away, but I'm refocusing a bit. You might notice that my videos are a little more sporadic from time to time while I work through that. I'm still here. I'm still filming. I'm just giving myself a little more space to get things back to a pace that feels right. At the same time, I've been working on a few things here behind the scenes, things I think you're really going to enjoy that tie into this whole idea of slowing down again and getting back to what New England fine living has always been about. So I just wanted to share with you so you know where I've been and where things are heading, and I'm really looking forward to bringing you along as all things come together. One thing I would like to mention, as of today, which is 2 months later, the roof has been repaired. It's structurally sound, and we have confirmed the whole structure of the house is safe and sturdy too. The home now has new shingles, and I'm thrilled with the color that we selected. My office ceiling, as I mentioned, has been repaired, it's already repainted, and being rid of those track lights, that's a plus. Some good things can come from chaos. We still have some projects to be done, such as working on the side entry, a new patio area, and other small projects that we've been looking forward to doing. Projects that we've been putting off over the years due to these unforeseen and time-consuming emergency home repairs. So to reiterate, as I mentioned in December and January, my filming schedule may be off here and there, even though I was still trying to film and show up every Sunday. And no, I'm not stepping away. I'm not stepping back. I'm stepping forward into my new season of life and sharing New England fine living the way it should be. Thank you so much for being here. It truly means a lot to me, and I will see you soon. Bye now. We certainly have some really beautiful skies some mornings, but wow. Wow, the camera's not even capturing how beautiful this is. I don't know if you can hear them, but the peepers are finally out. Happy spring.